everyone, this is Aarti and welcome back to my channel Aarti Education. And today we are diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind, finding an affordable option to live in the UK. So yes, whenever you plan to go abroad, whether you are a professional or a student, you have to look for other expenses as well. And if I talk about the major expense, so rent and mortgages are the major expense that you have to pay. So to save some of your money, I will discuss what are the top 10 affordable cities in UK where you can have the cheapest rent and other expenses. Also, I'm gonna discuss what are the college and university options in that city so that you can plan your study and stay. So let's start. So first city which I will recommend to go and stay is Hull. Hull or Kingston upon Hull is a port city in East Yorkshire, England. So if I talk about the cost of living in this city, so 1 BHK will gonna cost you around £452 in city, and if you are looking for outside city, it gonna cost you around £404. Now if I talk about the basic utility charges, it gonna cost you around 151, and the transportation charges. So if you get a monthly pass, it will gonna cost you around £56. So Kingston upon Hull is the home for University of Hull. If you check the fees, courses available in University of Hull, so that is very much less as compared to the other universities in UK, and have maximum bachelor's and master's courses available. Second city in this list is Dundee. Dundee is a coastal city in eastern Scotland. If I talk about the cost of living, so 1 BHK in city will gonna cost you around 632, and outside city it gonna cost you around £500. If I talk about the utility charges, so it will gonna cost you around £210, and for transportation monthly pass it gonna cost you £50. So Dundee city has many high schools and universities, and if I talk about the famous ones, so University of Dundee and University of St Andrews are the ones which are really famous. Third is Durham. Durham is a city in northeast England. If I talk about the cost of living, so 1 BHK will gonna cost you £680 in city and £400 outside city. If I talk about the utility charges, so basic utility charges will gonna cost you £135, and transportation monthly pass will gonna cost you £36. So Durham has many law schools and universities, and if I talk about the famous universities, so Durham University is the famous one. Next is number 4, and in this list we have Leicester. If I talk about the Leicester, it is the large city in East Midlands, which is a region of England. Now if I talk about the cost of living, so 1 BHK in Leicester will gonna cost you £760 in city and £571 outside city. If I talk about the basic utility charges in Leicester, it gonna cost you around £181, and if I talk about the transportation monthly pass, it will gonna cost you £64. Leicester is a home for two famous universities, University of Leicester and De Montfort University. Number 5 on our list is Cardiff city. So Cardiff is the capital and largest city of Wales. If I talk about the cost of living, so 1 BHK in Cardiff will gonna cost you £800 in city, £656 outside city. If I talk about the basic utility charges, it will gonna cost you £230, and transportation cost for monthly pass will gonna be £53. In Cardiff, there are 4 major institutions of higher studies like Cardiff University, Cardiff Metropolitan University, University of South Wales, and Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Number 6 city is Glasgow. So Glasgow is a port city on the River Clyde in the west central Scotland. Now if I talk about the cost of living, so 1 bedroom will gonna cost you around £803 in city and £641 outside city. If I talk about the basic utility charges, it will be £224, and if I talk about the transportation monthly pass, it gonna cost you £70. So Glasgow is a major center of higher and academic research. We have many colleges and universities like University of Glasgow, University of Strathclyde, Glasgow Caledonian University, City of Glasgow College. Now on number 7 we have Newcastle. So Newcastle is located on the River Tyne in northeast England. If I talk about the cost of living, so 1 BHK will gonna cost you £815 in city and £534 outside city. Basic utility charges in Newcastle would be around £208 and transportation cost for monthly pass would be around £70. So Newcastle have 74 primary schools and 20 secondary schools. And if I talk about the universities, so they have two famous universities, Newcastle University and Northumbria University. Newcastle, if I talk about, is one of the Russell Group University and a very prestigious. Now on number 8, we have Coventry. So Coventry is a city in central England. Now if I talk about the cost of living in Coventry, 1 BHK will gonna cost you around £824 in city and £626 outside city. Basic utility charges in Coventry is £251 and if I talk about the transportation monthly pass, it will be £53. Many of the secondary schools are in and around Coventry and there are two famous universities. First, Coventry University. Second, University of Warwick. Again, University of Warwick is a reputed and a part of Russell Group University. On number 9, we have Belfast. So Belfast is the capital of Northern Ireland. If I talk about the cost of living in Belfast, so 1 BHK will gonna cost you around £866 in city and £620 outside city. If I talk about the basic utility charges in Belfast, it will be £123 and transportation monthly pass will gonna cost you around £60. So Belfast has primary, secondary and grammar schools. If I talk about the universities in Belfast, so there are two universities. One is Queen's University Belfast and Ulster University. Also, Belfast is one of the most visited cities in the UK. Last and number 10 on our list is Norwich City. Norwich is a city in England, Norfolk County. If I talk about the cost of living in Norwich, so 1 BHK will gonna cost you around £857 in city and £693 outside city. If I talk about the basic utility charges in Norwich, it will be £141 and the transportation monthly pass would be around £64. So Norwich is a popular destination for a city break. And if I talk about the university, so there are two major universities in Norwich. First is University of East Anglia and second is Norwich University of the Arts. So these are the top 10 affordable cities in UK as compared to the other metropolitan cities in the UK. In case if you are living in any of these cities, do mention in the comment section, and if you have more doubts related to these cities, then also you can mention in the comment section. I hope you have liked this video, so do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.